Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a crab with clay. First, gather your materials. You'll need polymer clay in vibrant red, orange, and a small amount of white for details. Also, have your basic sculpting tools, a craft knife, and a smooth, clean surface ready. These items are essential for crafting your adorable clay crab, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable creative process from start to finish. Let's begin by conditioning our clay. Now let's shape the crab's body. Take a piece of red clay and roll it into a smooth 1-inch ball for the main shell. Next, create two smaller oval shapes for the claws. These should be about 1/3 the size of the body. Carefully attach these claws to the front sides of the body, ensuring they are firmly pressed on. Smooth any seams for a seamless look. This forms the basic structure of your clay crab. Moving on to the legs and eyes. Roll 8 thin cylinders, each about 1/2 inch long from your red or orange clay. Attach 4 legs to each side of the crab's body, spacing them out nicely. For the eyes, roll 2 tiny white clay balls and place them on small stalks above the claws. Add even smaller black pupils with a tiny piece of black clay or a dot of paint after baking. These details bring your crab to life. Finally, it's time to bake your clay crab. Follow the specific baking instructions on your polymer clay package, which usually involves baking at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Once baked, let your crab cool completely before adding any final touches like a protective glaze or painted details. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your crafting space tidy. Enjoy your finished clay creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.